Today we will be hooping 2 beach towels using the 7.5 by 11 inch Mighty Hoop, the Standard Station, and Standard Adjustable Fixture. I will start with my first towel by folding it in half to find and mark the center line. I'll then mark where I want my design placement to be. I decided I want my placement to be 6 inches down from the top of the towel. The HoopMaster Station has 3 different positions. For this video, we will be using position number 1, so the Standard Station lays flat. For this example, I won't be using the numbers on the station, so the standard adjustable fixture can be placed anywhere on the station as long as the hoop fits properly. Using the 7.5 by 11 inch Mighty Hoop, I'll place the bottom ring into the standard adjustable fixture and clip in my Tearaway stabilizer. I will pull my towel onto the station. For this example, I found that pulling the towel to the top edge of the adjustable fixture centers my design perfectly within the hoop. I will use that as my guide moving forward. I'll also make sure my center dot is aligned with the center line on the station. Next, I'll place my water-soluble stabilizer on top, making sure it's flat and smooth before hooping. Then, I'll hoop the towel and begin stitching out my design. While the first towel is embroidering, I can start hooping my second towel. This time, I only need to mark the center line of the towel. Once again, I'll clip in my Tearaway stabilizer and pull the towel to the edge of the fixture to ensure my towel is aligned. I'll also make sure my placement mark is aligned with the center line on the station. I'll once again place my water-soluble stabilizer on top, ensuring it's smooth. Then, I'll hoop the towel and stitch out the design. Lastly, I'll remove the top and bottom rings of the Mighty Hoop, tear away the water-soluble stabilizer and Tearaway stabilizer from both towels. And there you have 2 perfectly hooped towels.